Hey guys, bad German cockroaches, bad ant infestations? Not after you finish this video. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Craig here again, howtopest.com. If you love everything pest control and how to use those pest control products, then you are at the right channel, on the right channel, watching the right channel, whatever the proper grammar may be, you're here and I'm going to show you how to do that. Today we told you we are going to talk about those bad German cockroaches and those bad ant infestations, primarily in the house, but today's product can be used indoor and outdoor. What product am I talking about? Well, guys, I'm talking about Alpine WSG. Alpine is a product by BASF, a known name in the pesticide category of pesticides. Did that make any sense? I don't know. Who cares? WSG stands for wettable, soluble, granular. I think. Just go with it. It's a granular that once placed in water, it dissolves and turns it into the pesticide that's ready to use in your sprayer of choice. So how do you use this? Well, you go to the label and you look and see, what am I going after? Now, Alpine WSG kills German cockroaches, other cockroaches. It kills ants, excluding those pharaoh ants. It will not kill those. So know what type of ants you're going after. Mosquitoes, fleas, sow bugs, spiders, no brown recluse, but it does do spiders, black and brown, widow. But primarily, this product is used by professionals, and now you DIYer, for your bad German infestations in the house and your bad ant infestations. And why does this work so great? Because it's a non-repellent. What that basically means is they do not know they are going over this pesticide when you put it out there. So unlike repellents, and they're trying to get away from it and it's killing them as they get away, this they have no idea. So it works great in conjunction with baits. So if you were to put this out, let's specifically talk German roaches and ants right now, and you were putting this out as a spot, crack and crevice treatment in the area of infestation, whether that be the kitchen or outdoor somewhere, then you can use a bait in conjunction, because you're not going to contaminate the bait when you use a non-repellent like Alpine WSG. Now, this box right here that I've had backwards the whole time, this box comes with 5 10-gram packets. Now, when you go over the label, it's going to tell you every mix rate is 10 grams to 30 grams. So it's just depending on what you're going after. Let's take those German roaches again. It'll say 10 to 30 grams. Now, in my opinion, I have always used the lower dose. So I've taken 1 pack like this, and I've dumped it in a gallon worth of water. Now, that's your sprayer choice. Now, when you do that, let's say you're using a Chapin right here that you got off of howtopest.com. We sell this 1 gallon Chapin. It's a fantastic sprayer made for pesticides. You would take this and you would fill this Chapin about half full of water. Then you would take this packet, and you're going to have your PPE on, your personal protective equipment, which I'm not going to apply this today. So I just have on, as you can see, no gloves and a short sleeve. You're going to have your gloves on, your long sleeve, your pants, your shoes, your socks, all that good stuff. And then you're going to dump the packet into that half filled container. Then you're going to fill it up to the top, making 1 finished gallon of pesticide. You're going to shake it up really well. You're going to notice that it takes about 30 seconds, maybe a little longer, maybe a little less, that these little granules will fully dissolve in the water, and then you're good to go. Now, if you have a delay in spraying, or you sprayed for a minute and then you've stopped for a while, you need to re-agitate that sprayer. What I mean is you need to take this and shake it back up so you keep that stuff activated in the water and it doesn't just settle towards the bottom. Even though it's dissolved, you want that chemical mixed up in the water. You're not going to see the granules anymore, but trust me, keep shaking that product. And like I've said in other videos, Only mix what you're going to spray at that time. Don't mix and go, hey, I'll spray 7 days later. The pH balance changes in the water. The chemical loses its efficiency, and does not work as well as the manufacturer would intend it to work. So mix what you're going to use at that time. Now, if you're going to you need more of this as a professional. We sell a 200-gram jar, which I don't have with me right now, but it has a mix cup on top. So you would just mix into the cup 10, 20, 30, and then dump it in your sprayer of choice and go to town. Now, what do I like with Alpine WSG? I like baits like I just talked about, because once you spray and it dries, you can place a bait down and not contaminate that bait like I just said in the beginning. It also works fantastic with IGRs, and I would highly recommend that you mix Alpine WSG with an IGR of your choice. Gentrol is a fantastic IGR to mix with the Alpine WSG. And then once you do, you go around to those areas. Let's talk about a kitchen, under the sink, up under cabinets, behind the refrigerator. Can you get this up on the counter surface areas? Yes. I don't recommend it. I try to stay away from that. Keep your baits up there, because these are food prep areas for the most part. And you're not trying to put that poison where you put your food, unless you're trying to wipe out a family member that maybe you are. Now, where can you put Alpine WSG besides the spots I just talked about? You can put this in dog kennels. You can put this in your trash cans to keep flies away, because it does work on flies. Not my go-to for it, but it's a non-repellent, so it works well. They land, they get it on them, they die. And flies die fairly fast. The mosquitoes, treating the yard, you can do that. Fleas, same thing. Make sure you mix in the IGR. But understand this, Alpine WSG is a premium product, so you're paying a little higher price for it. So for some of these situations, other than the German cockroaches and the ant infestations, most pest professionals, they go to something else that's more cost effective, but still has a big bang and knocks down that problem that they're dealing with, whether it be those mosquitoes, those fleas, what have you. But can you do it? Yes, you can. If you're rich, have at it, man. Knock yourself out. Alpine WSG all the way. You can put this in hotels. You can put it in motels at the Bristol Hotel, room 516. Well, I just dated myself, but you out there, you know that song, don't you? LL Cool J. Am I right? Am I right? All right, back to the serious stuff. Alpine WSG, a fantastic professional product. I use it as my number one go-to with baits for German cockroaches. Ants, it is very highly effective, but I've told you in other videos, I start with baits if I can, because bait, it is a fantastic way to do it and wipe them out. But if you have a bad infestation, man, you better hit those with the bait, the Alpine WSG, and the IGR like Gentrol, like I talked before. Are there other IGRs that you can mix with that? Of course there are. There's Archer, there's Nygaard, there's all kinds of IGRs out there. Go over to howtopest.com, pick the one out that best suits your situation, and mix it in with the Alpine WSG. I want to touch on IGRs real quick. They can be mixed with other products besides just Alpine WSG, but they complement Alpine WSG very well. So that is Alpine WSG in a nutshell. It's a real simple product to use. You know what else I like about it? Instead of it being a liquid pesticide, it's in granule form. So as far as for the user, the applicator, you DIYer, it's a lot safer of a product to use, because you're not going to get that chemical on your hands. That being said, I'm going to backtrack and go back to the PPE. You still have to have that on. The label is king, so follow that, and it is gloves, long sleeve, pants, socks, shoes, the whole 9 yards. So that's why I like Alpine WSG. I know you professionals out there, you'll vouch for me. Alpine WSG, it's been around for years, but you DIYers, you probably never heard of it. Now you have. Fantastic product. You guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, howtopest.com. I love to answer your questions. I don't know everything. I miss things. So if you think of something I missed or a question that you want to ask me, I'm happy to do that for you. Throw it down in that comment section. We will throw a picture of the Alpine WSG 200-gram bottle for you guys that want a bigger dose of this above me in one of these fingers. I don't know which one. I'm always backwards on the cameras. Appreciate all you subs out there subscribing to this channel. It's awesome. You keep us alive. And thank you for the likes, guys. Have a great day. Craig, howtopest.com. Take care.